Get good news. Global oil prices have just crossed $100 per barrel for the first time since 2022. At the same time, Iran has named Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of the late supreme leader, as the country's new leader. Is the world entering a new energy crisis? And could oil prices climb even higher? Bar chart oil prices surged above $100 to $108 per barrel as the conflict in the Middle East escalated, shaking global markets. Oil prices surged this week as tensions in the Middle East intensified. Global benchmark Brent crude jumped above $100, reaching levels not seen since the Ukraine war in 2022. The spike came after major disruptions to energy supplies in the region and growing fears that oil shipments could be blocked. Analysts say that attacks on energy infrastructure and threats to the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil shipping routes, are causing panic in global markets. More than 20 million barrels of oil per day could be affected if the situation worsens. At the center of this crisis is Iran. Following the death of Iran's longtime supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the country has announced his son Mojtaba Khamenei as the new leader. This decision signals that Iran's current political and military direction may continue without major changes. Reports say the leadership change happened amid ongoing conflict and escalating military actions across the region. The announcement has raised concerns among global leaders as the conflict continues to affect oil markets and international security. There are three main reasons why oil prices are skyrocketing. First, military strikes have damaged energy infrastructure in the region. Second, several countries have reduced oil production due to safety concerns. Third, shipping routes in the Gulf have become increasingly dangerous. These factors are pushing investors to buy oil quickly, driving prices higher. Some analysts even warn that prices could rise far above $100 if the conflict spreads further. If oil prices continue rising, the impact could be global. Higher oil prices usually lead to higher gasoline prices, rising inflation, increased transportation costs, economic pressure on many countries. Stock markets in Asia and Europe have already reacted with volatility as investors fear a prolonged crisis. For now, the world is watching closely. Will tensions in the Middle East calm down? Or will oil prices continue climbing? One thing is certain: the global energy market is entering a very uncertain moment.